When the cartoon The Jetsons debuted, Rosie the Robot promised a world where machines made life easier. But in Flint, Michigan, automation didn't bring comfort. It brought devastation. I vividly remember as a Flint teenager in 1983, the sheer horror of discussions around the 45% of working adults who were being laid off from General Motors plants. The adults dismissed automation as science fiction, something of the future. Even when General Motors begged workers to attend tech training, many of them refused to sacrifice overtime for what seemed like science fiction. Rosie the Robot was created to be a helper to assist workers do a better job. And even with such robots as the Neo moving into mainstream everyday life, today the story is the same. Its AI is the cause of most of the layoffs in 2025. Creating Automation Workz to assist frontliners acquire tech certification in careers in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data analytics, IoT tech support, and network engineering. Many of them earn an average of $67,000, with some earning over $100,000. When I started this journey, everyone told me frontliners do not have the capability to learn rigorous technology. I ignored them and created SenseiWise, a behavior insights platform to predict which frontliner had tech capability. With 3 single data points: a vision board, a puzzle game, and a personality test. Let us help make the Rosie Robot vision to serve us a reality. Schedule time to meet with me to discuss implementing our tech training, or even more importantly, purchasing our SenseiWise Behavior Insights engine.